What is going on, everybody on YouTube? Max Rock here with a brand new video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the LG Tribute Dynasty. This is for Boost Mobile. Not on Boost Mobile at all. Just wanted to pick this phone up and give it a try myself. You see, we got some specs on the bottom there. Got a 5-inch HD touchscreen display. It says talk time is 15 hours. 16 gigs of ROM, 2 gigs of RAM, and you get a 1.5 gigahertz octa-core processor. Now that's one of the things that made me want to get the phone. It says so you got an 8 megapixel camera in the rear, a 5 megapixel camera in the front. You got a 2,500 milliamp hour battery, Android OS obviously. You get 3G, 4G, LTE Plus as well. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into this box. Let's see how hard this is to open. Whoa, the last thing I want to do is have a hard time opening the box. Y'all, this sucks so bad, yo. Hold on. One thing is make it easy. Get your LG box, and once again you get LG branding, Tribute Dynasty, trademark. Obviously, those are the specs again. How many times did I say obviously? Let me know in the comments. Matter of fact, take a shot for every time I say obviously. Obviously. Let's see. And then boom. Oops. Fell. There's that there. Boom. There's the phone itself. Power button, obviously. 8 megapixel camera, LED flash, speaker on the bottom, micro USB charging port, headphone jack, noise canceling mic, or noise canceling mic on top, microphone for talking on the bottom. This is a 5-inch HD display, 5 megapixel camera there in the front. Yeah, I'm curious to see how this device actually performs here. I don't know if they said the battery is 2,500 milliamps. Charging cable. I'm gonna actually leave that in there because I don't need to take that out. Get this thing powered on and see what we got here. Hit that button. Boom. Powering on. I got my niece sitting here with me, God, when I'm recording this video. You can say hi if you want. Say hello. Device is still powering on, Android is started. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and pause the video and be right back when all information is in the phone, or most of it. I am almost done completely with installing applications on this device here. It's actually been performing pretty good because it does has an octa-core processor in it, and I cannot really complain about it because I haven't had any lag so far. So let me go ahead and show you guys the Android version that is running here. It's running 7.1.2 with security patch on November 6, 2017. So it is running on Nougat here, which is pretty impressive, and also not impressive, but you know, expected. And also the cameras on the back, the rear camera and the front facing camera are actually not bad. Shout out to LG for actually putting some decent sensors here in the camera. And so I can't wait to put this device up against the Motorola E4. And so, with all that being said, let me know in the comments if you want to see anything in particular here with this device, the LG Tribute Dynasty. I'll be happy to do a video with this device here, going up against any of the devices that I have here in the lineup. Obviously, just leave a comment and I'll get that video done for you. But be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed already. Of course, thank you for watching the video. As you do know, my name is Max Rock. You have a good day.